Between the chocolate peanut butter, the chocolate caramel, it makes for the ultimate dessert. I'm Natalie Potter.
And I'm Laura Potter.
We're Bliss and Baker, and we're back at Tasty to share our Halloween-inspired Rice Krispie treat. I remember being a little kid and having all this leftover candy weeks and weeks later, and so incorporating all that leftover candy into our favorite dessert is the perfect solution.
We're using the standard Krispie treat recipe with just a touch of vanilla so that your favorite candies can be the star of the show.
We recommend using your favorite chocolate candy over something gummy or sour because we feel like it just complements the Rice Krispie treat better.
So we're going to start with the salted butter in a nonstick pot.
Or in this case, a cauldron. Once the butter is melted, pour in the mini marshmallows and just stir it occasionally until they're all completely melted.
It's really important to melt the mini marshmallows on low to prevent them from burning.
We prefer to use the mini marshmallows over the large ones because they melt much faster and more evenly.
Now it's time to add the cereal and fold to combine. Seriously, this is my favorite part. I love to see it all come together.
Now we're scooping half the mixture into a prepared pan, and you really want to try to cover the entire bottom of the pan so that the candy doesn't fall through. We think this is the perfect recipe to make with your kids post trick-or-treating.
And it's a great way to get your kids to share their candy with you.
We love this recipe because of the contrast between the vanilla and the chocolate.
And now you can sprinkle your favorite chocolate candies on top.
Now we're going to spread the rest of the mixture on top. You can use a spatula or even a little bit of nonstick spray on your hands. After we chopped our chocolate, we put it in the freezer for a bit so it wouldn't melt into the warm Rice Krispie treat mixture.
As if there wasn't enough candy already in there, we're going to sprinkle a little bit more on top.
So the candy lover in me wants to eat these right now, but you're gonna have to let them sit at room temperature for 2 hours or in the fridge for an hour before you can cut them. Trust me, they're worth the wait.
Oh my gosh, look at these.
Seriously, look at those layers. Chocolate, crispy, more candy, so good. I don't know about you guys, but we love Halloween.
Well, we love candy.
We love candy so much, we each have a secret stash hidden away in our desk drawers at the office.
Oh, yes!